Today I am reviewing the Bear Baby Food Maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Bear Baby Food Maker is designed for parents who want a simple, safe, and efficient way to prepare fresh homemade baby food without relying on multiple kitchen appliances. From the moment you start using it, it becomes clear that this is built to simplify daily baby feeding routines while still maintaining nutrition and quality. One of the biggest advantages of this device is its all-in-one functionality. Instead of needing a separate steamer, blender, sterilizer, and bottle warmer, this single machine handles all of those tasks. It can steam ingredients, blend them into smooth or textured purees, sterilize bottles, and even warm milk. For busy parents, this significantly reduces kitchen clutter and saves a lot of time during daily preparation. The steaming system is one of the most important features. It uses a dual-layer 18.5-ounce steam basket design, which allows you to prepare multiple ingredients at once. This is especially useful for batch cooking, where you can prepare several servings in one go. The 360-degree steam circulation ensures even cooking, helping preserve nutrients that are often lost in traditional boiling methods. This means the food retains more vitamins and minerals, which is important for a baby's early development. Another strong point is the blending system. The Bear Baby Food Maker offers smart blending with two different modes. You can use manual control if you want to fine-tune the texture, or switch to automatic blending for a completely hands-free experience. This flexibility is helpful because babies go through different feeding stages, starting with smooth purees and gradually moving toward thicker or chunkier textures. Being able to adjust consistency easily makes this machine very practical over time. Safety is clearly a major focus in the design. The materials used are BPA-free, lead-free, and phthalate-free, made from high-grade Trident plastic. This ensures that no harmful chemicals come into contact with the food. The device also includes safety lock mechanisms and low-water alerts, which help prevent accidents during operation. For parents, this adds an extra layer of confidence when preparing meals for their baby. Ease of cleaning is another area where this product performs well. After preparing food, the machine includes a one-touch auto-clean function that helps remove leftover residue quickly. The water tank is made from stainless steel, which is resistant to rust and designed for long-term use. Cleaning typically requires minimal effort compared to traditional cooking and blending methods, which often involve multiple pots, blenders, and utensils. However, like any kitchen appliance, proper maintenance is important. The instructions recommend using filtered or purified water to reduce mineral buildup. Over time, using tap water may lead to limescale inside the water tank, so occasional deep cleaning with vinegar or a descaling solution is suggested. While this requires a bit of maintenance, it helps keep the machine working efficiently in the long run. In terms of usability, the design is very user-friendly. The controls are simple, and the automated cooking process allows parents to focus on other tasks while the machine handles steaming and blending. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is especially helpful during busy mornings or when managing multiple responsibilities at home. The capacity of the 18.5-ounce dual-layer basket is also practical. It allows you to prepare multiple servings at once, which is ideal for batch cooking and storing food for later use. This not only saves time, but also helps maintain consistency in your baby's meals throughout the week. Another benefit is the versatility of the device. It can be used for different stages of baby food preparation, from early-stage smooth purees to more advanced textured meals as your baby grows. This makes it a longer-term investment rather than a short-term solution. There are, of course, a few considerations. The steaming and blending unit does get hot during use, so proper handling is important. You need to allow the device to cool down before opening or cleaning certain parts. These safety steps are standard for appliances that deal with steam and heat, but they still require attention. Overall, the Bear Baby Food Maker offers a well-balanced combination of convenience, safety, and functionality. It simplifies the process of making healthy homemade baby food by combining multiple kitchen tasks into one compact device. With its nutrient-preserving steaming system, flexible blending modes, safe materials, and easy cleaning features, it provides a practical solution for modern parents. In the end, This is a product that focuses on making everyday parenting tasks easier while ensuring that babies receive fresh, nutritious, and safely prepared meals. For parents who want more control over their baby's diet without spending hours in the kitchen, this device is a very helpful and thoughtful addition to the home.